Careers in computer graphic design. Careers in graphic design are expected to be one of the largest and fastest growing job markets through 2014. Most careers will be in computer graphic design, website design, and computer animation design. Competition will continue to be steep, even though a lot of jobs are available for someone pursuing a career in computer graphic design. This is because computer graphic design is a popular area of study, and many people pursue computer graphic design as either a career, a hobby, or a part-time freelancing gig. Careers in computer graphic design require a 4-year college degree, or bachelor's degree. Some technical positions can be obtained with only a 2-year college degree, or associate's degree. However, these computer graphic design careers will not go far without further education. It is important to understand the need for formal education if you want to pursue a career in computer graphic design. About 30% of those in a computer graphic design career work independently as freelancers. About half of computer graphic design career seekers who work as freelancers are also holding steady jobs in computer graphic design or other computer related careers. Freelancing is definitely a viable option for those pursuing a career in computer graphic design, as small businesses and individuals continue to have more need for computer graphic design services, but cannot afford the rates of computer graphic design firms. There are many other careers in computer graphic design. You can seek a career in computer graphic design in print or audio advertising, television or film media, and book or magazine publishing. You can seek a career in computer graphic design in large or small computer graphic design firms, giving you a wider variety of work, but a steady stream of work. Or, you can seek a career in computer graphic design as a freelancer, giving you a wider variety of work, but the need to work hard to keep clients coming so that you have a steady stream of work. If you wish to pursue a career in computer graphic design, a college degree, desire, and knowing where you want to go is not enough. You need to develop skills in computer graphic design software and other computer related skills. You will also need to develop a portfolio, which is a collection of your best computer graphic design work. These computer graphic design portfolios are often the deciding factor on who gets a job and who is still waiting to start their computer graphic design career. Once you have completed your education and you know where you are going, the next step in your pursuit of a career in computer graphic design is to find that first, entry-level job. Computer graphic design jobs can be found through online job boards, classified ads both in print and online, and through your college or university's job placement center. Freelance computer graphic design jobs can be found through online job boards, classifieds, and work-for-hire job boards. Work-for-hire job boards work much better for computer graphic design careers than other careers, because everyone understands that computer graphic design is an expensive endeavor. Good luck in your computer graphic design career.